Saffron terror has finally got the attention of CIA. India's Bajrang Dal and Vishwa Hindu Parishad, better known as VHP, are terrorist organizations. This has just been revealed in the CIA's World Factbook. According to CIA, the two organizations fall under the category of religious militant groups. Ever since Prime Minister Modi came to power, India has seen a surge in religious violence. Non-Hindus have been killed for eating beef, drinking water from a well belonging to upper caste Hindus, and even simply for the reason that they are not Hindus. Although this is not the first time that India has been called out for its militancy, but CIA's Factbook cements the claims earlier made by informed quarters. One such highly reputed publication is the Daily Mail newspaper. In 2004, Daily Mail revealed that Bajrang Dal and VHP were on the US and UK's radars since both were considered foreign militant organizations. Be it CIA's Factbook or Daily Mail's news story, fact of the matter is that as time passes, the world is realizing that India is a Brahmin-dominated country, and that the Brahmins use their religious stature to bully lower Hindu classes and non-Hindus alike. They have fully operational militant wings, which use brute force to ensure Brahmin dominance. So, in other words, is the CIA's Factbook pointing toward a new terror phenomenon in the region? Is Brahmin supremacy the official law of the land in India? At the time of making this video, British MPs hosted Elias Davidson, the German author who wrote a book on Mumbai attacks and proved beyond reasonable doubt that it was a staged false flag operation by the Indian government in the House of Lords. And Mr. Davidson explained to the audience his research and why he believes India conducted a false flag operation for political gains in the region. While the world is now recognizing India's state terrorism, we leave that to you to form your